Oops, sorry. Leave it. Just who cares? She wants it.
Oh, fine.
He has to color it.
You scared, Ashley? You're scared now. You wanted it done.
Adley, calm down. He's not doing anything yet.
I know, but I'm just nervous. Wait, I need to hold someone's hand. I can't do it.
Don't even look.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Damn it, Ashley. You cracked
That's
my
it,
finger.
That's it?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
it's nothing.
Adley,
See?
you cracked my damn finger.
I'm so proud of myself. Ow.
Ashley's belly piercing. Look at that, Ashley.
Yay!
Look at that. Oh my god, you're a champ.
I imagined it
You're a
way
champ.
worse.
They'll be proud of you in school.
No, not even. They wouldn't care.
You don't look like the kind of girl that would do it.
See how quick that was?